Welcome to our comparison of the CORSAIR RM850x and RM750x power supplies. Today, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two popular models from CORSAIR. Both power supplies are fully modular and 80 PLUS Gold certified, ensuring efficient power delivery and quiet operation. However, they cater to different needs based on wattage and pricing. Let's find out which one is the better choice for your setup. The CORSAIR RM850x offers a robust 850 watts of power, making it an ideal choice for high-end systems that require more energy for multiple graphics cards or overclocked CPUs. In contrast, the RM750x provides 750 watts, which is sufficient for most gaming setups and high-performance builds. While both power supplies are fully modular and efficient, the RM850x gives users more headroom for future upgrades. When it comes to pricing, the CORSAIR RM850x is priced at $149, reflecting its higher wattage and capability. On the other hand, the RM750x is a more budget-friendly option at $139. This makes the RM750x an attractive choice for users who need reliable power without breaking the bank, especially for systems that don't require the extra wattage. Both the RM850x and RM750x feature 80 PLUS Gold certification, ensuring high energy efficiency. They are equipped with 135mm magnetic levitation fans that provide quiet operation. Additionally, both models utilize 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors for enhanced durability. While the RM850x is designed for more demanding configurations, the RM750x still delivers reliable performance for most setups, making both options excellent choices. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM850x and RM750x power supplies offer excellent performance and reliability. The RM850x is perfect for high-end systems needing more wattage, while the RM750x is a great budget-friendly option for most gaming setups. We hope this comparison helped you decide which power supply is right for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.